Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you can leave comments in the page editor on Framer to work with your website projects, your designs. So let us dive into this. Head over to a workspace on Framer, select the given site project from your project list here on the left hand side. I will go with this one. Navigate to the given page by clicking into pages in the top left, select the page from that list. After that, guys, what you want to do is you will see this panel at the bottom. We got the select tool, the pan tool, and next to it the comment tool. Click into it and you will see, as you can see, there are no comments so far. So what you want to do is click anywhere you like on the canvas. You will see that speech bubble icon. Click into it and leave a comment, like for example for a co-editor, insert image here or something like that, or insert section. Press enter, and then as you can see there will be that speech bubble here, that icon, and also the comment here, but you will need to access the comment list here. You can also use the shortcut C for that, and then you will see the list of all comments that have been posted on the given page here on the right hand side. You may click into these three dots to delete the given comment, click into it to get redirected to it, and then guys, there will also be that reply text box here, so you may reply to a given comment or mark it as solved or complete, for example by clicking into the checkmark button at the top. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we see you next time on our channel.